Most people think Solitaire Cash is free money. You play cards, win games, and cash out instantly. But here's the truth no one tells you. The app is real, the payouts are real, but most users never make consistent profit because they misunderstand how the system actually works. In this video, I'll explain exactly how Solitaire Cash works in 2026, whether it's legit or a scam, how players actually make money, and the biggest mistakes you need to avoid before depositing a single dollar. Let's get straight into it. Solitaire Cash is a mobile gaming app where players compete in solitaire tournaments for cash prizes. Instead of playing against another person live, you compete against players with similar skill levels, using the same card setup. The faster and more efficiently you finish, the higher your score. Now here's where it gets interesting. Winning isn't only about speed. Strategy matters more than most people realize. For example, Jake downloaded the app expecting easy money because he already knew how to play solitaire. But after joining paid tournaments, he realized quick moves alone weren't enough. Players who manage combo streaks and avoid unnecessary card flips usually score much higher. But here's the problem. Many people see small early wins and immediately start entering bigger cash tournaments. That's where losses start stacking up fast. This is where most users fail. They confuse entertainment apps with guaranteed income. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest way beginners use Solitaire Cash without risking too much money. First, let's answer the biggest question. Is Solitaire Cash legit? In 2026, the app is generally considered legitimate. Many users report receiving payouts through PayPal and other supported payment methods. The company behind the app does process real withdrawals for eligible users. However, that doesn't mean everyone profits. The app makes money through entry fees. So while some players win tournaments, others lose their buy-ins. It works more like competitive gaming than a rewards app. Now here's another important detail. Real money gameplay is restricted in some US states and regions because of gaming regulations. So depending on where you live, you may only have access to practice games instead of cash competitions. But here's the smarter approach experienced players use. Alex only joins low-entry contests and treats the app like a skill game, not a paycheck. He practices with free games first, studies scoring patterns, and avoids emotional spending after losses. That strategy matters because chasing losses is exactly how players burn through money. Now here's where it gets interesting again. Skilled players can improve over time. Faster decision-making, cleaner card management, and understanding bonus scoring can increase win rates in smaller tournaments. Still, this is not passive income. There's real financial risk involved. So, is Solitaire Cash worth it in 2026? If you enjoy solitaire and competitive mobile games, it can be a fun app with real payout potential. But if you expect guaranteed earnings, you'll probably be disappointed. The key takeaway is simple. Start small, practice first, and never spend more than you're willing to lose. If this review helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you've tried Solitaire Cash yourself.